Hey everyone. In this video I wanted to show you a green pool that I just started working on today. There's a lot of algae in it. I just got done putting a treatment in it. If you've seen my past videos, you'll see that I'm going to use granular chlorine because it's really strong. If you like videos like this, you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and please also give me a like, and that'll help other people find it. It's starting to lighten up a little bit because I put the granular chlorine in, but I'm going to come back tomorrow and we're going to take a look at it and we'll see what it looks like and we'll go from there. I know I'll be treating it again and doing some more cleaning. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so I'm back and this is going to be the second day of the green pool cleaning, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Pool actually looks fairly good from yesterday that you just saw, and so what we're going to do is I'm going to check and adjust the chemicals again. And I didn't mention it in the previous part of the video, but you're going to want to check the pH and make sure the pH is not super high. A lot of times with green pools, it'll be super high. You're going to want to lower that down, and then you're going to actually treat it for algae, and that's going to be a few other chemicals. I have other videos of green pool cleanings that you can check out as well, but I'm going to go ahead and get started, and then I'm going to bring you back tomorrow and we're going to take a look at it. And I'll try to post what I put each day into the pool chemical wise so you can know what you're looking at. Your pool is going to be different because of the size. It goes by the gallonage of the pool of what kind of chemicals you're going to use. All right, well, I'll see you tomorrow on day 3. So I'm back now and the pool's looking really good. I could see the bottom over here. Pretty much can see the bottom to the deep end, but to speed it up, specifically for this customer because it is a new customer of mine, I'm going to put in a product that I recommend if you have a cloudy pool, and that is going to be this. This is Revive. And so this is a liquid flocculant you're going to hook to the garden hose. You're going to spray it into the pool and you're going to shut down the pool, and the next day everything's going to be on the bottom. So I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to show you what it looks like when I get here. I'm going to end up vacuuming out everything and clearing it up, but it'll look night and day different. So after you turn the pool pump off, you're going to start spraying this around the pool, and here I'm just broadcasting it through the pool. You want to cover the whole top of the pool if possible. This hose is not super long here, but what I'm doing is I'm just broadcasting it, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you how effective this is. All right, I'll see you then. Use the Revive, and this is what it looks like. The whole pool is clear, and so we're pretty much done. If you want a full green pool cleaning guide, go ahead and check out my video. I'll put a link in the description. Also, a card will pop up in the top right hand corner of the screen right now. Go ahead and click on that and you'll see that. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.